Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean Suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. We are in the Royal Suite. It's the top suite here on board the ship. We're going to tour every single space and I'll talk a little bit more about it. Before we do, just wanted to remind you, when you are ready to book your next Royal Caribbean cruise, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get the Harr Travel Signature service. Now with the Royal Suite, you're gonna get every single amenity that they offer here on board, but the biggest amenity is an incredible amount of space. So the main door is there, you have a double door that you walk through, and right here we're in the foyer. First, I'm gonna head into the living room. So over to the right, you're gonna have a grand piano. You can have somebody come in and play it for you. It also has an automated feature where you can have it play as you like. Now this is a dynamic entertainment space, so whether it's a couple traveling together, a group of friends, just a couple friends, or a full family, this is the perfect configuration for so many, especially if you want to invite others from around the ship when you're traveling with a group to come and visit. Right here you have a large living room area. You're gonna have a love seat here. You have a full-size couch, coffee table in the middle. You're gonna have two chairs over to the side and the first of the large flat panel TVs. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, another reason this is such a great entertainment space is you have a full dining room table. Now you're gonna have a wide variety of suite amenities on board. You have a fantastic welcome, as you can see demonstrated right here with the champagne on ice. You're gonna have the suite lounge that you can utilize throughout your stay. You can also utilize the suite sun deck and the special suite only seating in the main theater. In addition to that, you're gonna have all kinds of different special amenities that they're gonna offer you throughout the stay. One of those is you can order from the main dining room for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and have it served right here at your table. You can also order from an expanded room service menu to utilize anytime you'd like while on board. Over to the corner here, you're gonna have a wet bar, so another great entertainment space. You've got the two chairs at the bar top here. You're gonna have a Lavazza coffee maker over in the corner. I start my day every single day with a coffee at home. I love that I can do that here with an Italian coffee on board. Underneath, you have a little bit of seating, and you're also gonna find your mini fridge that'll be stocked upon arrival. Now, I wanted to point out a couple things. Like I mentioned, you can utilize this space as a second bedroom, and for that, you're gonna have another full bathroom. So this is gonna be the first of the bathrooms we'll see. This is perfect for guests, so if you have anybody coming over, they can utilize the restroom without going into your space, or if you have anybody staying in the living room, this is their bathroom. Toilet tucked in the corner, you've got a large vanity right here, those upgraded Gilchrist and Soames bath amenities that you're gonna utilize throughout your stay. And then just through here, you're gonna have a large shower. I love that they have a full second bathroom. You've got the adjustable shower wand, a second shower head, a bench seat, and then more of those Malin & Getz upgraded bath amenities. So now we're gonna head into the primary bedroom. You see you have two doors here that will shut completely to give that extra level of privacy. Now in here, you're gonna have a large king size bed. You can separate it apart if you'd want two beds in this space. You're gonna have your pillows just on the far side, two nightstands. I love that you have drawers where you can tuck things away. And then as we continue through the space, you're gonna have another flat panel TV, once again interactive, and you've got storage underneath. You have a reading chair over here in the corner with a nice ottoman where you can sit out and take advantage of those incredible floor to ceiling views. Now, another great feature is there's actually a door from the bedroom here out to your large balcony space. We'll take you out there in just a minute once we finish this space. You've got your writing desk over here in the corner. It also doubles as a vanity. You've got your magnifying mirror, the two lamps. You're also gonna have two US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra Euro plug so that I can utilize it to charge my batteries during the day, and then I also can use that to charge my devices by the bed at night. Now let's head through the massive walk-through closet. You've got your safe right there, perfect for small belongings, passport, wallet, things like that. You've got a ton of storage, drawers here, hanging storage all the way across. Those will pull down for more hanging storage. Same thing over here as well. Now there's doors on both sides, so you can shut that. Over on this side, you're gonna have another dresser, so you've got 8 more drawers right here to tuck your things away. Now let's head into the massive bathroom. So right here, you're gonna have a large double vanity, storage underneath, more of those Gilchrist and Soames bath amenities. These do open up, so you have storage behind the mirrors as well. You're gonna have an extra large jacuzzi soaking tub here, big enough for 2 people. You're gonna have more of the Malin & Getz upgraded bath amenities, and then right through here, you're gonna have a large walk-in shower. Now there's 2 shower heads up above. You're also gonna have the adjustable shower wand. You've got that little nook there where you can sit and soak. Now the last space in here that I wanted to point out is you got a toilet and bidet tucked around. One thing that's really unique is you can enter from this side, but you also have a door that goes out into the bedroom as well. So now we're gonna head out onto your private balcony space. You've got the double doors right here. You've got another door that goes into the bedroom. And now that we're outside, you can see a large dining room table. Once again, you can have meals served from the main dining room right here on your balcony, taking in the incredible views wherever it is that you are. It's also that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, or maybe a cocktail or snack in the evening. As we continue along, you've got 2 more chairs here with side tables on either side. And then over there, you're gonna have 2 recliners, so you can sit out and really lounge and enjoy the beautiful spaces. Now, you can imagine being here in Alaska, in the Caribbean, wherever it is that you're sailing, having a space this large, inside and outside, is such an incredible feature, something that you just don't find on cruise ships all that often. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure that you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Royal Caribbean group experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with them. And we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.